Divergent plate boundaries and their characteristics. Divergent boundaries are where the new crust is generated as the plates pull away from each other. The Earth's lithosphere, which includes the crust and upper mantle, is made up of a series of pieces or tectonic plates that move slowly over time. A divergent boundary occurs when two tectonic plates move away from each other. Along these boundaries, earthquakes are common and magma rises from the Earth's mantle to the surface, solidifying to create new oceanic crust. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge and the Pacific Ring of Fire are two examples of divergent plate boundaries. Other examples of divergent plate boundaries are the Great Rift Valley in Africa and the Red Sea and the Gulf of Aden as well. They have all formed as a result of divergent plate motion. Divergent plate boundaries can form in two ways. One, on land, divergent boundaries within continents initially produce rifts, which produce rift valleys. And secondly, under the sea, the most active divergent plate boundaries are between oceanic plates and are called mid-oceanic ridges. A divergent boundary is formed by tectonic plates pulling apart from each other. Divergent boundaries are the site of seafloor spreading and rift valleys. Seafloor spreading is the process of magma welling up in a rift as the old crust pulls itself in opposite directions. Cold seawater cools the magma, creating new crust. The upward movement and eventual cooling of this magma has created high ridges on the ocean floor over millions of years. Here is a picture of the Ring of Fire. The Ring of Fire is an example of a divergent plate boundary. The East Pacific Rise is part of the Ring of Fire. It is a site of major seafloor spreading. The East Pacific Rise is located on the divergent boundary of the Pacific Plate and the Cocos Plate, which is west of Central America, the Nazca Plate, which is west of South America, and the Antarctic Plate as well. In addition to volcanic activity, the rise also has a number of hydrothermal vents. This is the Ring of Fire, and it is a divergent plate boundary.